Hello and welcome back to Dutchman Serve. Today we're back at Next Level Automotive to do the rest of the strip out of the S2000. Behind me you can see here the beautiful lime green Lumo color that Jan is working on. At the moment he sprayed the car and the parts yesterday. They're doing some touch-ups now, sanding down. You can see here we've got a student helping us out here today. There's Jan. And they're basically just polishing up some little bits here that needs to get straightened up and then resprayed again. The bumpers come off again over there in front, as you can have a look and see. That's going to get sprayed up today. So this is the paint shop. It looks really cool. As you can see, everything is color coded in green here. Just an awesome, cool car. All skunked to tapered covers over here. Looks really cool with the purple accents. And the whole car is just coming up together here. This is the Del Sol that we saw in the shop here a few days ago. So really looking good, and the guys are really making it look beautiful, getting all those nicks and crannies out and painting it nicely over there. So it's going to look cool when that's done. Be sure to check out that green Del Sol. This is the blue Super that was sprayed yesterday in the shop. This one was sprayed yesterday afternoon just after I left. Check out that color, how it's come out. Really beautiful, really stunning, like turquoise color. It looks so great over here. This car is going to be beautiful when it's done. It's kind of like a nice turquoisey color. The whole car just looks absolutely spotless. Jan, did you do one coat or two coat in the paint?
Only one coat.
One coat of paint. How many coats do you normally do when you paint it?
Normally you do 2 layers of base coat, 2 layers of clear coat. This one needed 3 layers of base coat. But it's the same color, it's not 2 different colors of base coat.
One color. So tell me, how does the pearlescent paint work with the color shift paint? Do you do different color base coats? How do you get that color shift?
Yeah, it's a little bit of a secret, but it's just a pigment in the clear, how do you say, clear base coat, and that's how it works.
And that gives the color shift.
Yeah.
This is quite an awesome thing, how the color kind of changes depending on the lighting and everything. It's really awesome. Yeah. But this is just a standard color, not a color shift paint. But for my car, it didn't come out so clearly yesterday. I'll try and get the color to show you in the sunlight. When you do the color shift for the purple. Yeah, you see over here in this light, you can see now, whoops, you can see over here now,
you have to take it to the sun.
There's the purple that comes out, and when you look at it like that, it's blue. So if I go out to the light here, you can see there's the blue, and then there's the purple. So that's how you can see the color. It didn't come out so clearly yesterday in the video. Purple in the sunlight, and then blue like that. So if I put it against the car color here, you can have a look and see how the car color looks compared to what the original color is. So there you can see the sunlight coming through the window a bit now. Sorry for the trolley in the background there. You can see the purple coming through there in the sunlight. And against the normal car color, that's how the color looks compared to the standard Monte Carlo blue. It's not too far off from the actual blue color, but it gives that extra purple look. When you catch the sunlight just right, you can see the light coming through there. So it's really going to be special when the sunlight catches it. You can see there the purple coming through there now. It's going to look really nice once that's sprayed up. So this whole car is going to get sandblasted, take off all the rust from the undercarriage. The inside actually didn't get too bad. You can see here the body panels here are actually pretty okay, not too much rust. The only parts here I can see still on the outside, a little bit of rust there underneath the trims, but the actual inside of the chassis is good. There's no holes in the chassis anywhere. Everything here looks pretty good. So once that is sorted out, the dash is going to come out today. We're going to take this part out of here, and then we're going to get through all of this rust, get all of these pieces out of here, all the rust out. Windows going to come out. That's going to be resprayed, so that's going to be done nicely as well. And you can see there again in the sunlight, the blue color compared to the Monte Carlo blue kind of matches, because the Monte Carlo blue is a blue pearl color, but when the sunlight hits it at an angle, I don't know if you can see it now, the purple coming through, it's got a bit of a purple tinge in the light. I don't know if it comes out so clearly there. Maybe gotta go from this angle. I think from this angle, there you go. So from the different angle you can see the purple coming through over there. So that should be really cool to get that purple in the light, and then the blue, see with the blue and the purple. So that's the Super that was sprayed yesterday, looking really sick. And then Jan, I noticed you put some stickers on your tires, eh?
Yeah,
You painted it. You painted it, yeah? So I'll show you Jan's WRX that he got outside here. He painted the tires yesterday. It looks really cool, actually.
Not painted.
It's like a marker pen, isn't it?
No.
Looks really sick. I
stickers.
really like this. Yeah? It's super sick, man. I really dig that. So you stick it on or what?
Yeah.
It's really cool,
Just
man.
With, with glue.
It looks so sick. So it just brings out an extra profile on the sidewall there. Looks really cool. What do you guys think about that? Should I do something like that for my car? Make it look a little bit sporty. Now it really looks like a real race car. It's got some real nice looking tires in there. Check out those beautiful Brembo calipers. Are those 4-pot or 6-pot? 4-pot calipers. Really nice, slotted and grooved rotors over there. You can see how nicely that is to clean the brake pads to get that ground off. So this is the WRX that Marco bought recently. He sold his BMW. This car is absolutely Hawkeye beautiful. What do you plan to do with this car?
Yeah, just drive it for a while and probably sell it to put some money in Supra.
Money into a Supra, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, the blue Supra is getting a new paint coat. What do you got planned for the blue Supra?
What Supra?
For the blue Supra, the wide body Supra.
The wide body Supra.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be another color.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you know what color yet, or have you not decided?
Yeah, the customer has decided a little bit purple-ish.
Purplish, so
Yeah.
kind of like this a little bit, maybe.
Yeah, not shifting like that.
Yeah? Oh, so it's just a standard color?
Just pearl, yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, as I showed you guys yesterday, the midnight purple Supra over here. It's also a really special color, but also just a standard color, not a color shift. These color shift paints are really cool. In the light here, you can see the purple coming out against the purple of this car that I'm going to paint my car. So there you can see a bit more of the purple coming through against the midnight purple, and then again, there you can see the blue. So it shifts color in the light. It's really quite a cool color, and that's going to be absolutely special. So people are going to be like, is it a blue car or is it a purple car? Well, it's both. It's going to be quite cool. So you can see there the color in the light. Today we've got some sunshine, thankfully. It's always raining and cloudy here. This is one of the guys that works here. He's Sylvia S15. This car's going to go for the dyno this weekend. They're hoping to get around, I think, 400 horsepower from this.
I think 350.
350. It's quite a standard build though, but it's got a turbo.
Yeah, Tomai turbo.
Tomai? Yeah.
Tomai cams.
And who did the engine build? Did you guys do it?
No.
No.
No, they did it in Curacao.
Okay, okay. Cool, man. Yeah, also a beautiful car. These Sylvia S15s are really stunning cars. Yeah. They're really fun to drift with. So yeah, if you want to check out more of this, let me know in the comments, and then I'll be sure to do a little feature on this one as well. There's another Mazda MX-5 they've got here for sale as well, and there's a beautiful new Supra that you saw in the shop yesterday. They just swapped out the other one inside. So yeah, that's all the guys from Next Level, and I'll be sure to show you the rest of the strip down today. And thanks for following the video, guys. Cheers. So I actually wanted to show you the gearbox over here that came out of the car with the 5th gear that was broken. We're going to send it away to actually get repaired, because you never open up your own gearbox unless you're a qualified gearbox repairer. So they're going to take a look at it. There you can see here's the drive shaft. You can see it's a bit grey inside here and a bit greasy and dirty, but not to worry about. Here's where the engine oil was leaking onto the car from the valve cover from the top of the engine. So you can see quite a lot of old oil built up on the outside of the gearbox, but that doesn't affect the gearbox itself. We'll get that cleaned up, send it away. Here's the short shifter. There was nothing in there that kind of gave any indication why the 5th gear wasn't working, so we'll send it away, get the gearbox fixed up, make sure that's been reconditioned, so the gearbox should be good as new. We might go for an AP2 gearbox swap out, I don't know yet, but we'll have a look. I've heard that they are better with gearing ratio, so maybe that's an option, I don't know yet. Behind me over here you can see a Supra that's having some work done. They just had the engine put back into this car again. You can see there's another car up on the list over there. That's the Supra that got rebuilt completely from scratch. That's the wide body Supra. So we're upstairs here now where the storage area is above the workshop, and you can see over there the guys are busy working on the Supra now, putting in the engine. And there's the blue Supra that got sprayed up yesterday, as well as some green Del Sol parts around the shop here. But a pretty cool workshop. Definitely every boy's dream to be working in a place like this. It's like being in a candy store. So another day in the shop. We managed to get a little bit more work done today. As you can see behind me, the car is starting to look a little bit bare and stripped out. We managed to get the dash out today, the carpets, interior, center console a bit more. So starting to look really bare now, getting everything out, ready to send the car away. A bit of the back section here came off as well, some of the lights. We took off the wheel arch flares here at the back, side skirts at the back here as well on the side. So yeah, just getting most of the small bits and pieces off. It's all coming together slowly but surely. Bumper's got to come off still. This side was really bad underneath the wheel arch flares here. Check out the rust over there. Just terrible, terrible. So now you can see exactly why they put the fender flares on here for the back to hide the rust in the car. So this whole rear fender, it has to come off. Obviously the wide body kit's going to come out, but this needs to be drilled out. So you can see here the actual rear fender is drilled into the chassis. So that comes apart here, and then the whole piece comes out as one section. So that all will come out. That'll all be replaced with the wide body kits. So yeah, starting to look pretty cool. Getting ready for redoing the whole thing from the ground up. Clearing out some of the rubbers along here. Yeah, it's gonna look pretty decent in a few days. So yeah, stay tuned, and as always guys, thanks for the support and thanks for following. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button to give us a like, and definitely subscribe. Until next time guys, cheers for now, bye bye.